Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade chlorophyll step by step. Gather fresh leafy greens like spinach or parsley, a blender, 1 cup of water, a strainer, a jar, and a stove or microwave-safe bowl. Chop leaves roughly, blend with 1 cup water until smooth, then strain through fine mesh or cheesecloth into a clean jar. To concentrate, gently heat the liquid to reduce volume by about half, then cool and store in the fridge. Start by rinsing leaves to remove dirt and debris, then pat dry. Use cool or room temperature water to preserve color and avoid boiling, which degrades chlorophyll. If making an alcohol-based tincture, use food-grade ethanol and work in a well-ventilated area, and do not heat alcohol. Strain carefully to remove pulp and press the solids to extract more liquid. Store in the fridge and use within 1 week for best color. Homemade chlorophyll adds natural green color to smoothies, sauces, or homemade soap without artificial dyes. Use small amounts to avoid altering flavor and taste test before serving. For plant foliar sprays, dilute heavily with water and test on a small leaf first to check for sensitivity. Avoid adding salt or oils, which can reduce solubility. Use filtered water to avoid minerals that can affect color.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.